Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from PowerKey on this device. So if you wanna by press and hold the PowerKey button use the Google Assistant, you should open first the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Tap to the gestures and click press and hold power button and switch power menu to digital assistant. Here you could switch the press and hold the duration to use the assistant. For example, let's use the middle one. So let's just press and hold the power key and we could see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. To unlink Google Assistant from power button, switch digital assistant to power menu. Now let's press and hold power key and we could see that here the power off menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.